Yes, Moondav. You've got a transcript folder with 8 stream subfolders, each containing a full transcript, plus derived markdown files. Teaching.md extracted ideas, intro loops. Okay, what I want you to do, 1.28, okay. All right, based on those transcripts, I want you to go ahead and launch 5 agents to go ahead and
I'm Moondav. I build trading bots chasing the same industry Jim Simons ran up a net worth of $31 billion in. But I believe code is the great equalizer. And these are real people, real profits, hundreds of them. I'm not asking you to trust me, I'm asking you to trust them. Moondav.com/Discord. Message anyone, ask them, become friends.